Here's how to fix Instagram Music not showing all songs in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. This usually happens because of region restrictions, account type, or outdated app settings. But there are a few easy fixes. Go to your profile and tap the three lines. Open Settings and Privacy, then Account. If you're using a business account, switch to Personal or Creator. Business accounts have limited music access. Open the App Store or Play Store. Search for Instagram and make sure it's updated to the latest version. On iPhone, delete and reinstall Instagram. On Android, clear cache from app settings. This refreshes the music library. Some songs are not available in every country. Go to Settings, then Language, and make sure it's set correctly. Log out of Instagram completely, then log back in to refresh your account data. Sometimes songs show up in Reels but not Stories, or vice versa. Try searching music in both places. Using VPNs or modified apps can limit music access and cause missing songs. And that's it. These steps should fix Instagram Music not showing all songs. Subscribe for more Instagram tips.